Hi guys. So this is a little pre-home tour, aka a tour of my room. So I just finished doing everything, cleaning everything for almost like 2 hours and a half. There's a lot of stuff, very lot of stuff. But my friend is coming over to sleep over tomorrow, so I'm like, I gotta clean this place up, and I don't even know what time she's coming in, so I'm like, I better do it now. So this will be a little pre-vlog to what's gonna be coming tomorrow. Excuse my messy hair. Um, it's not embarrassed. Um, but as soon as I came from work, I met her in town. We had lunch, and then I came back here maybe around almost 2 o'clock. It was 40-ish. So almost 2 o'clock, and so basically it's 4:20-ish, 4:30-ish. I don't know yet. But I shall show you my room, and yeah, and voila. Excuse that. Let's start in this area, and then I have all the stuff ready for tomorrow. I have my stuffed animals right here with my Santa hat. Um, this is the first time I'm actually like physically showing my room, but yes, I have a lot of posters. Do excuse that. There's very a lot of posters that have grown over the years, and this is my Gundam collection, guys. Okay, not all of it is Gundam, as you can tell. I have the new Comrade XA that I just recently got. Of course, why wouldn't I have that? And then down here is finally my display. It's like the first time I've ever had a display for all my Gundams. aka, excuse Sergeant Rock. I have a few of my SD Gundams. I really do love SD. Excuse that. I'm missing a part and I need to continue it. I'm almost done, but it's missing its part. So I have to figure a way to get the part. But I've gained all these over the past few years. That's the new X8 that I just built a day ago. And I got it 2 days ago. So, and I bought this one, which is, I find it really quickly. Where is it? Okay. It's this one right here. And I just recently bought that 2 days ago as well. And it's super adorable. My favorite one. Then down here is my whole entire K-pop album collection. Chimmy is not included. Goes from my top three favorites, aka NCT's over here. NCT's in the middle also. ATEEZ, NCT is my second, and that's still NCT. That's still NCT basically, even though it's Super M. And then BTS, and then ONEUS, and then Day 6, and of course Stray Kids is actually my next one, but there wasn't enough room, so I needed to change everything. And I bought a few recent ones. These are from maybe 2 months to now. And then some is a little bit far away, and then all of them go out to the third shelf, and it's pretty crazy. I have 3 light sticks, well, more than 3 light sticks, but 3 official light sticks. NCT, Day 6, and BTS is behind there. And then I have all my magazines. I hid some. I put them in a box, and this is my anime collection, guys. Okay, I thought I'd put in the CDs down here, making it a Japanese section. So I have all my wristbands that I've recently gotten. This is the recent one. Very cool. From Day 6's Gravity World Tour in Boston. And so, oh, he fell over. Stay. Okay. And then that's my actual Kamen Rider belt wizard. And then, yes, I'm gonna miss this poster. I really am. And then Monster EXO poster. And then over here were 3 that I did from school a few years ago. And this is the first time I'm gonna be showing this section. But welcome, my best friends. It's kind of like last year, but a little different. A few pictures. I gotta move that. I forgot to move that. Me and my mom, I love her so much. If you're watching this, hello. And then NCT and Jungkook, who I saw at KCON. I didn't get to meet them much, And then just sections, bag, another bag, some drawing stuff right there, back massager. hair dryer, camera. Surprise! I'm not using my camera. It's actually my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus camera that I'm using, and it'll probably be the camera I'll be using from now on. Yes, that's my FT Island poster. Even after all the drama, it's still up, and yes, I have thought about taking it down, but no, I'm leaving it. And then Monster X, it's sad what's going on currently with the group. It's very sad. Mr. King and Prince, yes, I love them so much. A few ATs pictures. You can see that. A few of my ATs posters, which are so gorgeous, and I love them so much. Oh, hi, Hojong. Hojong. And then the 17 banner that I got at KCON, which I adore so much, and I can't believe we'll see it being covered by that picture. But no, whatever. Then my 17 poster, and this one came with one of the AT's albums. I'm super excited. Oh, hi, Hazy Job. And yes, hi, BTS Bill. Oh, there's one home. And then there's some more AT's posters right there. And more Jungkook posters. No more pictures, basically. And these are the posters I got for free from this Super M, aka Lucas. Hello, Lucas. And then Taeyang, I'm still waiting for marking time. And this is the banner that I got from the Gravity World Tour. I like hanging up my banners most likely. Sometimes. Excuse the writing on the wall. It's what I did that one again. So shush. But yes, oh no, you're so gorgeous. Hi. Hi everybody right here. This is the AT's poster that I recently got from New York when they bought their special first year album. And it's so cute. And this is the one I recently got from their new album, and I'm loving. Look at Mingy, I swear he's so good. But all of them look so fantastic. I'm sorry about the line, but you know I had to pull a few. But yeah, they all look so good, and I'm so surprised. And yes, don't worry, guys. There's BTS posters. There still are. They're going little by little. There's still BTS in the corner. You guys just can't see it. And then that's the poster I got from the tour, and I love it. And here's a little bit of a messy makeup station, but you know, whatever. And then, yes, this is my very old phone that is actually being traded for a new phone recently. It's coming in Wednesday. So this is the phone I've had for 8 years, guys. 8 years. It's crazy. It's finally going. Hi, LG. But yes, this is all my there's Bath and Body Works in there. All from my friend. Not all of them. There's a few that are mine actually. And some more stuff, you know, this and that, and oh yeah. Tic Tacs that my mom brought from SantaCon in case she never actually went, but they gave her for free. And that's a sticker I bought. Well, I was given for free at KCON. The water I'm currently drinking. And then those are the posters that you guys can't really see from my door. Yes, I hang posters on my door. Okay, these are the ones I made at school, and you know you can't find it anywhere. And it's Yuzu Hanyu, my favorite ice skater of all time currently, and hi BTS poster. Yeah, I made that when we had to do a project in the first year of high school, and they made us do that, so I did that. But yeah, that was a little bit of my room. First time I've ever physically showing my room to you guys, but I hope you guys like it. It's full of love and my joy of K-pop, J-pop, ice skaters. And my joy of anime and my collection of albums that I've actually never really shown anybody except for putting it on Instagram. So, yeah, I have over 56, 65? I meant 65. I think 64, 65. I have to recount everything. I think it was 64 before, but I'm at 65, and I've been growing these past 2 months, 3 months. It's a lot. But yeah, so like I guys said, I'll be using my Samsung camera from now on, and oh my god, it's a really good camera, and there's not as much static, which I like, and I won't be using that camera as often, maybe when I'm outside, so there's not as much static from inside the rooms, and it doesn't show up when it's here. Oh, I should. Um, but yeah, so I hope you guys like this little mini room tour, and I'll be filming more tomorrow, and I have a lot of plans tomorrow. Oh my god, I'm nervous too, but I'm gonna go watch a movie right now, and you guys are wondering what type of movie I'm about to watch. AKA, my friend is, well, she bought me for Christmas a free Christmas gift, I guess you could say. That is one of them. I'm getting more tomorrow. And I'm so excited to find out what else it is. But she got me Spider-Man Homecoming, and not Far From Home, but she has not seen Spider-Man Homecoming yet, so I'm so excited. And I love Tom Holland. He's great. My main reason for loving Spider-Man is him. He's so great. I love him so much. He's amazing. I have a magazine of him that I just bought because Tom Holland about a month ago, I think. Well, not even a month ago, maybe like 3 weeks ago. I got a magazine with Tom Holland on the front cover. No one bought it for a month, and it's mine. So, just say. But to ignore my under eyes, this is Bareface, guys. Bareface, and you guys love it apparently. So, yeah, Bareface, no makeup. Yeah, true. Just a regular person. But I hope you guys like this vlog. Mini tour. What tour I wish. Mini room tour. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.